Afternoon. So we're back at the garden I've been doing a while, pruning trees and stuff. So today we're going to tackle this holly and I think it's a laurel. I just started actually and forgot I hadn't started the camera. It's well prickly. I'm going to enjoy this one. So I'll stick it on a time lapse and let's see what we can make of this. Probably have to get the extension out on this one. I'm going to do the holly first though, then clean up and then do the laurel if we've got time. There we go, job done. 2 hours. But the cleanup took the longest. So it was all grown in to each other here, so I've opened it up a bit. Let the air get back in and raise the crowns a little bit, especially around this laurel. From a distance. There you go, job done. Good morning. Well, it's not quite spring and we're back at the wood garden. I'm not coming to do any work in here today, but I thought I'd give you an update while I'm in this bit. Snowdrops are all coming up. Doesn't look too bad, to be honest. Bulbs everywhere coming up. Could do with a bit of a tidy up, but we'll do that in a few weeks probably. So we're actually here to repair the fence just down by the oil tank. The panel blew over, so 10-minute job to do that. But yeah, just thought I'd give you an update on this garden. Wants a bit of a tidy up, but that's about all. Oh yeah, what we're going to do as well is use conifers and tidy up all this in here while it's all dormant. So there's the panel. It's actually blown over, so I'll repair that. I think we'll give this a good hacking back. Bulbs everywhere, look. Yeah, I think that this wants lifting and just tidying up at the front. It's probably the best time to do it now. Okay, I'll get on and give you an update in a bit. Okay, so we've trimmed up the fuchsia, tidied up all the border, trimmed the pyracantha and repaired the panel. That's it. Oh yeah, trimmed the heather up as well. Lavender, sorry. Can't take too much off, it's very woody. Anyway, that's it. All looking good. Morning. So we're back at the wood garden. So the owners finally got me back. Didn't last till spring there because the grass needed cutting. Look at that. First cut. Still in Feb, but it needed it. It was so long. We've had a pretty mild winter really. So cut the grass. Now I'm going to cut the 2 conifers in the little cottage garden. Need the bulb bag for that because the bin is full of grass. Right, I'm going to crack on. That's the conifers done. Looking quite neat now. That one's a bit windswept, but it looks okay. Looks good from the house, that's the main thing. Let's have a look. There we go. Both done. Right, on to the next job.